Okay guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price. We are not only going to take a look at these three very interesting on-chain data here and what they are telling us of the future price development of Bitcoin. No, we are also going to take a look at the charts because right now on the 4-hourly time frame, as you guys know, we are still seeing, let me just remove the VPVR here real quick, we are still seeing a rejection of our upward sloping horizontal support and resistance area on the 4-hourly time frame. The only thing that we now already have to keep in mind, guys, let me show you directly. I talked about this in my last video. $20,800 level, we didn't break it to the downside. What does this mean, guys? Is that now the reason why we need to expect the price to reverse very aggressively, maybe even all the way up to the $27,000 level? Let's talk about that. As always, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up a like here on today's video. Maybe we can reach the 1,000 likes. That would be legendary. If you go down below this video, it hasn't reached 1,000 likes yet. Let's do that. Besides that, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, leave a comment down below. Thank you very much for your guys' support. And now let's talk right about the charts. Because what we can see here is that we got a rejection, we fell below it. I told you in my yesterday's video, we need to see a break below the $20,800 level, and we didn't see it. The bulls and the bears are still fighting very aggressively here on the smaller time frames. We are going to take a look at the on-chain data, why this may be the case as well. But what we are essentially seeing here, if we are looking at the bigger picture, is that some people are thinking that we are going to see a bounce on the weekly time frame. Big buy volume on the weekly time frame, since we are seeing a potential very beautiful bounce here. Nevertheless, we would need to see a break above the old high point, so we would need to see a weekly candle closing above the $25,000 level so that we actually have a confirmed breakout. This would be also the reason when I am actually turning more bullish again than bearish. So this would be the first sign of an end of the bear market for me, really, here, this weekly candle close. But what we can see also on the daily time frame is support is right below us, not far away. On the weekly time frame, we already touched it. Resistance on the horizontal time frame is not far away. It's directly above us. So the bulls and the bears are fighting very hard. And the next move is going to be explosive. But I want to warn you, a few things are happening right now on-chain that are a little bit concerning and that are setting the probabilities a little bit higher of the $20,800 level breaking first. Why is that, guys? We just broke below our realized price and our 200 weekly moving average, as you guys can see here. In the past for Bitcoin, this has always been the accumulation zones. So this has been the price zones where we normally bottom out. Nevertheless, guys, we usually spend some time below it. And who knows if we, in the past, I mean, we saw a wick here down to the $18,000 level, right? We can easily also wick down to 16 to 14,000, get bought up again. Here on the line chart, wicks really don't look all too bad. So this is still a possibility, especially looking at this. And this is the only thing that is scaring me right now a little bit, or setting my probability higher for the breakout to the downside. And it is the moving average, the MVRV triple ribbon. So what we can see here is more or less like right average profit and so on and so on. The red line 10-day moving average, we are crossing to the downside. We have the 10, 15 and 20. I'm not quite sure. Why didn't I write me down, guys? I cannot remember the numbers. Let me check it up real quick what the moving averages actually are here. It's the 10, 15 and 20 if I'm not wrong. But I don't see it here when I made the screenshot. Let me just check. It's the 10, 15 and 20, guys. I was correct. And when we see the 10 crossing the 15, the red, the yellow, we can see, guys, that pretty much we see when this happens with a big candle, so with a big candle closing below the ribbons in general, and then we see a cross. So far, we have seen a massive correction each and every single time in our bear market. Here's our second scenario. We close a candle below the ribbons. We see the cross, big hard correction coming in. We bounce, we close below. We see the potential cross now happening today or tomorrow. And this definitely was in the past not a very good sign for Bitcoin. So let's be aware of that. The fight is going on. The only thing that I'm keeping an eye on is right now the $21,700 level. If we break to the upside, I'm not doing anything. If we see a retest and then a successful break of the old high point, this would be the moment where I definitely close my short completely and where I would also scale up my long position slightly. Besides this, as always, retest, break of the old low point, the 20,800. If we see that, I mean, we need to expect Bitcoin to fall into the ranges of the $19,000 level, $18,000 level most likely. So in this scenario, I would actually scale up my short position, and that's pretty much it. No other changes to my trades on a potential breakdown. But now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash up a like, don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell. You guys know we are expecting the bottom very, very soon. We just fell below 200 weekly moving average, realized price. We have the bearish cross on the MVRV ribbons, and we just need to be aware of the fact that maybe some more downside for Bitcoin is going to come in the case that the $20,800 level breaks. So let's just keep an eye on these price levels, and we are going to be prepared for the next big price move of Bitcoin. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, activate the bell, smash up a thumbs up. My last video almost reached 1,000 likes. Maybe we can reach it today. And leave a nice comment down below. I really appreciate it, reading through all these nice comments you guys are leaving behind after my videos. Thank you for watching. We're going to see us in the next one tomorrow. Till then, bye.